Hi, I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I will demonstrate how to use Lumos Guided Practice to help students in grade 5 develop conceptual understanding for specific topics in math. The Lumos Guided Practice is an intelligent, artificial intelligence-powered conversational system that offers students with individualized practice in an empathetic environment. Like a teacher, it carefully learns from the students' proficiency data and significantly simplifies the user's experience. It also offers lessons that are precisely tailored to the students' unique needs and provides interactive voice and visual aids to motivate and engage learners. Let's dive right into Lumos Guided Practice and see it in action. Once you open up the free Guided Practice module on the Lumos Learning website, you'll need to select the grade and the subject for which you want to practice more questions. Here are the domains for grade 5 math. For today's demonstration though, I will be choosing the domain called Operation and Algebraic Thinking. All of the questions are standards aligned, dynamic, and support independent practice. Let's select this first question. Simply click on the play button here.
Use the following pattern to figure out the first number of the series. Given a number, multiply by 32, divide by 6, and finally multiply it by 36. Solve the problem starting with the number 25.
The Lumos assistant reads out the question. If you're not sure of the answer and need some extra support, click on the hint button over here.
Multiply given number 25 with 32. Then divide by 6 and finally, multiply answer with 36.
Nice! With the help of this hint, you can try arriving at an answer. To respond via voice, simply click on the mic here, or enter your answer in the text box and click Submit.
It is 4,800.
You can refer to the detailed explanation over here. Let's practice a few more questions.
Use the following pattern to figure out the first number of the series. Given a number, multiply by 12, divide by 8, and finally multiply it by 36. Solve the problem starting with the number 40. Well done. Good job. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
That's a right answer. You rock! What's more, at the top right you have the settings icon here, which gives you access to the volume control slider to increase or decrease volume for Lumos Assistant's voice. With these other buttons you can hit pause, replay, mute, and control the playback speed of the audio narration. Isn't this super cool and easy? Hope you loved Lumos Guided Practice. Head over to the Lumos Learning website, select grade and subject of your choice, and try it for free.